Hello everyone, how are you? This is Swaleh from Chandamangalore Higher Secondary School. Today we are going to discuss the first chapter of Standard 8, Equal Triangles. You are familiar with the shapes triangles, right? You know the different properties of triangles also. Yes, this is the shape triangle. And what are its properties? Think about it. Yes, it has three sides, three angles, and three vertices, right? So triangle is a closed geometrical figure with three sides, three angles and three vertices. You have studied a lot about triangles in your previous classes. You know how to draw a triangle if the three sides are given, right? Look at this picture. There is a triangle with the sides 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters and 7 centimeters. You know how to draw it, right? First draw the base 4 centimeters. Then take the compass and draw two arcs from either sides of radius 5 centimeters and 7 centimeters. Right? Do you remember? Just draw an arc of radius 5 centimeters from the left side of the base and draw another arc of radius 7 centimeters from the right end of the base. Then join them. Then you will get this triangle. Right? Now look at the triangle on the right side. The sides are the same 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters and 7 centimeters. But the position of the sides are different. But the length of the sides are the same. Right. Now look at this second picture. There are two triangles on this figure also. They also have the same sides 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters and 7 centimeters. But the base are taken as 5 centimeters. Now the third picture, they are also having the same sides but the base is taken as 7 centimeters. Now considering all these 6 triangles, all the sides are equal. But what about angles? As you can see, all these 6 triangles are obtained by rotating and flipping the first triangle, right? So they must have the same angles. If you draw all these triangles in a piece of paper and cut them out and you put each triangle on the top of the other, you can see that all these triangles are having the same shape and angles. That is, even though these triangles seem different, they are having the same sides and the same angles. So we can generalize this as a theorem, and that is, if the sides of a triangle are equal to the sides of another triangle, then the angles of the triangles are also equal. That is, if we go back, look at these two triangles at the top. The sides are the same 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 7 centimeters. Since the sides are equal, their angles also must be equal. That is the first property we are going to study in this chapter. Now, you can pause the video here and take a note of this statement. Okay, hope you have written this statement as a note. Now look at these triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. They are having the same sides, 3 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters. As we have discussed earlier, they must have the same angles. Since the sides are equal, their angles must also be equal. That is, each angle of triangle ABC is equal to some angle of triangle PQR. But which pairs of angles are equal? Consider angle A from triangle ABC. Which angle from triangle PQR is equal to angle A from triangle ABC? Think about it. We know that the largest angle in triangle ABC is angle A. It is opposite to the side 6 centimeters. Now look at the second triangle. PQ is having the length 6 centimeters and the angle opposite to that side is angle R. That is, in these two triangles, the angles opposite to the side 6 centimeters are angle A and angle R. So we can say that angle A and angle R are equal. Once again, the largest angles in both triangles must be equal. Angle A is equal to angle R, since they are opposite to the equal sides. Similarly, angle B is equal to the length 5 centimeters. Now look at the second triangle. Angle P is opposite to the length 5 centimeters. So angle B must be equal to angle P. Similarly, we can see that in both triangles there are sides with 3 centimeters length. Considering their opposite angles, you can see angle C and angle Q are equal. That is, triangle ABC and triangle PQR are having the same sides and also the same angles. And you can identify these equal angles by looking at their opposite sides. So what can we conclude from this? The angles opposite to equal sides of two triangles are equal. That is, if the sides of a triangle are equal to the sides of another triangle, then the angles opposite to the equal sides of these triangles are equal. You can pause this video here and take a note of this statement also. Okay, now we are moving to some questions. In each pair of triangles below, find all pairs of matching angles and write them down. Pause the video here and write down this question in your notebook and find the answers. Now it's time for second question. In the triangles below, AB is equal to QR, BC is equal to RP, CA is equal to PQ. Compute angle C of triangle ABC and all angles of triangle PQR. Pause the video here also and write down this question and find the answers. If you have any doubts, you can contact your maths teacher anytime and clear them. Okay, hope you have enjoyed the class. Thank you very much.